with an aim to revive one among the traditional dance of Ride Nongtung under Hima Kiriam's imship known as Shad Lakympong, which was annually held every year before the sowing period. The Ride Nongtung, in collaboration with the Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong Ride Nongtung border area, will organize a 2-day program of Shad Lakympong dance to be held on 21st and 22nd April 2023 at Ummat village. Speaking to the media persons at Nongpo, traditional head of Ride Nongtung, Miwel Shadab, and president of Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong Ride Nongtung border area, Blikshan Sotun, said that in the last 3 years they could not organize this traditional dance due to COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, for reviving this Shad Lakympong, the Ride Nongtung will organize in a proper way not only to enrich our own culture but also to attract tourists to boost our local economy, he's added.
Shad Lakympong kelong ke compare ketika si ka bangila ada ban penbelangin penlong ya ka program ki beper dan kalian cunga kom presiden cunga Sinjuk Bashnong ngadon ban kerpan iki paradok prasnam ki badon kemensin banwan ban sakilam ya ketika si kultur cungi ka badon ru hapo kasnong umat ingin yoi ban ingin snaru iki dor kidar hakadur cunga hakadur cungi yang cerap yang pelang ka badon hapo cung ulu mau ba na ka bantai sukan ka Shad Lakympong.
The United Democratic Party held its chief